Hi, my name is Arav and I have completed advanced sensor course at Robopreneur. I have built a security system. This system would already be deployed at some places. It beeps when anybody comes near the laser. This is my system. To build it, I have used a transformer, a buzzer, a TOF sensor, an Arduino, and a rectifier bridge. I've used a transformer so that I can power it with AC. I've used the buck converter or bridge to convert AC to DC because Arduino only supports DC current. The buzzer is to alert and the TOF sensor is to detect. Now here is a demonstration of my project. When I come in a 50-meter range of it will beep. The range can be adjusted as needed. Thank you.